Lucille is beating Derek. She's going to try and walk up all these steps and count them all at the same time. Either she's not going to make it up the steps or she's going to miscount. This is only a fake.
130.
She walked the first 20 steps, got into a cab, took the cab up to the top of the hill, got off the cab and walked down 10 steps. Okay, it's not true. She actually did it.
So apparently some locals have said that the hurricanes didn't really hit this part of the US St. Thomas, but at the same time you could still see some damages. You could see the blue FEMA tarp over the skyline here. Some houses have that.
And some of them already got new roofs on it. You can tell that, for instance, this pink house right in front of us, that looks like a brand new roof on it. And then you can see the other ones that have been weathered. They've definitely replaced. There's a big difference in color.